Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a complete character animation in iClone using some of its most powerful built-in tools. So, let's get started. Let's start with the AccuPose preset poses. iClone includes a collection of ready-made poses that you can apply instantly to your character. These presets are a great starting point for creating different moods, emotions, and actions without posing the character from scratch. Simply browse through the library, click on a pose, and watch the character update immediately. Now let's take a closer look at the AccuPose control panel. When you select different body parts, such as the head, torso, arms, hands, or legs, the control gizmo automatically updates for that specific area. The real strength of AccuPose is its AI-assisted body hierarchy. Instead of moving only the selected joint, it intelligently adjusts the connected joints to maintain a natural and balanced posture. This means you can reposition an arm, rotate the torso, or move a leg, and the rest of the body smoothly adapts without creating awkward or broken poses. While you still have full control for fine adjustments, the AI does most of the hard work, making it much faster to create realistic character poses with minimal effort. Next, let's explore the Motion Puppet tool, one of the quickest ways to animate a character in iClone. Open the Motion Puppet panel and switch to the Move Preset category. Here you'll find a variety of ready-made movement styles, including walking, running, idle, and other natural body motions. Simply select a preset, then preview the animation before applying it. This lets you quickly compare different movement styles and choose the one that best fits your scene. Once you've found the right motion, you can apply it to your character and continue refining it later if needed. We'll select the Running Movement preset and click Record to begin capturing the animation. As the character performs the motion, iClone records the movement in real time. Once the recording is complete, a new motion clip appears on the timeline, representing the captured animation. This motion track remains fully editable, allowing you to fine-tune or extend the animation whenever needed. Next, let's add some movement to the character within the scene. Move the playhead to the first frame and position the character on the left side of the screen to create the first transform keyframe. Then move the playhead to the end of the animation and reposition the character on the right side of the screen. iClone automatically creates the second keyframe, causing the character to run smoothly from one side of the scene to the other while preserving the recorded running motion. With the animation in place, let's enhance the environment. We'll replace the default scene by changing the environment and sky settings, then import a few 3D assets to build the surroundings. Finally, we'll apply one of iClone's cloud presets to create a richer sky, giving the scene a more cinematic and realistic atmosphere. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new about creating character animations in iClone.